Hi guys, it's your boy, Lukey, Wookie, Woo Woo, and I just watched Candy Pops cooking, eat mouldy bread, so I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon, and we have cat munchies mixed with pistachio cream, and we're gonna have a little bit of Oasis summer fruits with it as well. Here we go, look. Here we go, guys, look out, look, lovely, look. You've got nothing on me, Candy. Look at this, look. Oh my God, this is lovely. Look, give it a little stir, and away you go. Whoa, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. It's delicious. I want Vago. You're the Vago. Here we go. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Yeah, 10 out of 10. Yeah, not bad. See you in the next video, guys.